The Honeywell 3000 series half mask is the ideal air purifying respirator for anyone who uses the respirator on a regular basis, providing safety first protection from hazardous fumes, dust and vapours. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Its lightweight silicon construction and impressive feature list make the Honeywell 3000 one of the most comfortable, user-friendly half mask air purifying respirators. There's a large pliable sealing area providing excellent fit, while oversized inhalation ports provide lower breathing resistance, enhancing the wearer comfort. Providing respiratory protection used in conjunction with replaceable filters to protect against a variety of contaminants, Honeywell offers pre-packaged kits that combine the 3000 series mask with filters selected specifically for welding or for spray painting and for pesticide spraying. Kits are available in small, medium and large to suit, of course, all face sizes. You can find out more by visiting all the W's, honeywellsafety.com, or calling Honeywell Safety Products on 1300 139 166. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.